This question asks us to look at the principle of microscopic reversibility to draw the acid-catalyzed formation of an enol from a ketone. This reaction will start with the reaction of the carbonyl with the hydronium ion. This lone pair can attack hydrogen. That builds up too much electron density around hydrogen. So we break the OH bond, putting electrons onto oxygen. That will form a protonated carbonyl intermediate. We'll finish this mechanism out by removing one of the protons on the alpha carbon next to the carbonyl. We'll do that with water. One of the lone pairs on water can attack one of the hydrogens. That builds up too much electron density around hydrogen. So we break the CH bond, move those electrons over to form a CC pi bond. That builds up too much electron density around carbon. So we break the CO pi bond, putting those electrons onto oxygen. And that will be the last step in this mechanism to form an enol from a ketone.